In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a button go to header in Wix. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to open up your Wix editor and find the button that you want to work with. In my case, it's going to be this button right here, which at the moment is at the bottom of my page. So I want it, when I click on it, to take me all the way to the top of the page where the header is. Now, I'm in preview mode, so let me head over to the editor and show you what you need to do to make that happen. Now, once you've found the button, I want you to click on it to highlight it, and then a bunch of different options are going to appear right above or below the button. The option that you want to click on is this link option right here, so click on that, and then I want you to select the top / bottom of page option right here, and then select the first window, which is for the top. Then click on done, and now let me preview the website, and let me show you what happens when we click the button. As you can see, as easily as that, the button now takes me to the header. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.